Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to knit changing rib. This pattern is called changing rib because it creates vertical stripes, i.e. ribs, on the front of the knitting, and these alternate between stockinette stitch and slip stitch ribs. The background is reverse stockinette stitch and this helps the ribs to stand out. To begin, you need to cast on a multiple of 8 stitches. I cast on 24 stitches using the long tail cast on, but you could use your favourite method. Then for row 1, which represents the wrong side or the back of the knitting, you need to begin with 3 knit stitches. So make sure the working yarn is at the back and knit 3. Then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front and slip 1 stitch purlwise by taking the right hand needle down through the front of the stitch and slipping it off the needle. Then take the yarn to the back again and knit 3. And bring it to the front and purl a stitch. Repeat these 8 stitches over and over until the end of the row. So knit 3, slip a stitch purlwise with the yarn in front, knit 3, purl 1, and so on. Then for row 2, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, you need to begin with 1 knit stitch. Then bring the working yarn to the front and purl 3. And then take it to the back again and slip a stitch purlwise through the back loop. So instead of taking the right hand needle down through the front of the stitch, you take it up through the back of the stitch instead, like so. And then transfer the stitch. Then bring the yarn to the front and purl 3 stitches. And then just keep repeating these 8 stitches. So knit 1, purl 3, slip 1 purlwise through the back loop with the yarn in back, purl 3, and so on until the end of the row. Then rows 3 and 4 just repeat the same techniques I've already demonstrated, so I'll just put the full pattern up on screen now. And once you've repeated these rows a few times, you should have something a bit like this. As you can see, you get those alternating stripes on a reverse stockinette stitch background. And here you can see the back. Obviously, this pattern is not reversible. Note that if you want to knit this in the round, then you'll need to follow this pattern instead. And that's it, that's how you knit the changing rib stitch. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.